Quickly create dependent drop-down list. First prepare your original data like this. Then, click Kutools tab. Drop-down list. Dynamic drop-down list. In the dialog box, select 2 levels dependent drop-down list option. Then, select the original data range. Next, select the output range to locate the result. Finally, click OK to finish the operation. The dependent drop-down lists are now set up. Once you select an item from the first drop-down, the second one will instantly display the related choices. Create multi-level dependent drop-down list. First, you should prepare the source data like this. Go to the dependent drop-down list dialog box. Select 5 levels dependent drop-down list option. Specify the source data range. Select the output range to locate the result. Click OK to close the dialog box. Congratulations! Your 3-level dependent drop-down list has been successfully created, and is fully functional.